Today we're going to turn something like this to look like this. So welcome back to another video. My name is Marcel and I am still in Nepal. I'm in Kathmandu actually after a week in the jungle and a week trekking.
Look at those views.
I just thought I would make this quick video on how to light a hotel room with minimal equipment. So I'll talk to you about the equipment that I brought on this trip. I wanted to travel light on this trip, but I still wanted to bring proper lighting to light an interview that I was supposed to do, but unfortunately that did not happen. So I thought I would just light myself in this hotel room. That's just to show you how you can light yourself, how you can get good lighting if you're filming from a hotel room like I am right now. I'm gonna go over the equipment and the lighting that I'm using right now for this video. So let's get started. So first of all, let me turn on the house lights or the hotel room lights just to show you how hideous that looks.
Well, that's hideous.
I'll turn off my key light first and show you. So these were the lights that were on in the hotel room. As you can see, you know, it's a nice ambience, but it doesn't look great for my video. So the first thing I am going to do is to turn off these house lights because they're hideous, and I'm going to turn on, as you can see, there's a lamp here, right here, and this one right behind here, but I'm not using that one. So let's do that first, and then we'll go through the next setup. So my background is looking great. Obviously right now I am in the shadows and I am not properly lit or properly exposed, and that's why I'm going to either use a window or use my key light that I brought, a super portable small COB light from June that I talked in another video, the Moelis X100, super portable, and it's super bright. I'm only turning it on to 4% and it's already bright enough to just for this individual setup. I could also put it right somewhere here or maybe around here and then point it to the ceiling and just blast off the light because there's just so much power and just give me overall ambient light. But it's not what I'm going to do for this particular setup. So let's move ahead and turn that on. So let me show you what I mean. I have the Moelis X100 with the dome diffusion. This is the larger dome diffusion, and I have the color temperature here set to 5700, I believe. Set to 5700, and let's turn this up to about 4%, and I think that should be enough. And I'm running it with the battery so I don't have to plug anything in. This comes with this diffusion dome, and in terms of light stand, I have this very light and portable light stand that can actually be really tall. I think it goes up to 6 feet or something. This one is from Ulanzi on Amazon. As usual, links in the description down below. And in terms of tripod, I'm using this small portable. There's only about 2 pounds in weight by K&F Concept, budget friendly, as well. Links in the description below. So the white balance on my camera is matching the white balance on the light, which is currently at 5700 Kelvin, and that is what it's able to let me get these lights to remain warmer temperature. Oh, here, these ones. And that way they provide a little bit of a contrast between this light in front of me and the background. So let's turn this key light on to see what it looks like in 3, 2, 1. So this is what it looks like with the key light, with that dome diffusion. As you can see, that dome diffusion really makes the light very soft on me over here, and there's a little bit of shadow on this side, and I'm actually okay with this look. And the last thing that I'm going to do is just to add a little bit of a backlight, and for that I'm using this light, a 40-watt light. This is the M40 5-ray from June, or the 5-ray M40 from June, and I have this set up just on the table over here pointing at me. Right there, just to give me a little bit of rim light on my shoulder, as you can tell right there. So this is it, super easy and quick lighting tutorial on how you can light yourself in a hotel room. As a bonus tip, here is one more thing that you can do. If you do not have a key light, you always have a window. So let's turn this off and we'll open the window here. And right now I am super overexposed, so let's turn this down, close down that aperture a bit. So here is another way to light your hotel room talking head scene or talking head frame, just using a window and still that in the background. But if you have lighting, you can control that even better. So my favorite is to go with a portable lighting setup. So anyways, that's it for today's video. Hopefully you learned something new from it. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That would be greatly appreciated. And I'll see you next time.
Oh, whoa, look at those views. Look at all of that.